Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 10th of April 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 4.57%. This amounts to an average daily loss of approximately 0.76% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -48.75% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -59.44% to -40.77%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis predictions a projected change of 59.15%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 51.81% to 455.57% over the coming year. In current terms, this would indicate a future price between $11.88 and $43.47. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline "Green Day on Thursday for SoundHound AI, Incorporated stock after gaining 0.84%. The SoundHound AI, Incorporated stock price gained 0.84% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. The stock rose from $7.76 to $7.83. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.83%. with a day low at $7.55 and a day high of $7.99. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 5.72% over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $112 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.50. Currently, the price sits 68.67%, or $17.16, below the 52-week high of $24.98. which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Inc. is encountering substantial legal challenges as multiple class action lawsuits have been initiated against the company for alleged violations of securities laws. These lawsuits are directed at SoundHound and its executives, asserting that they misled investors about the company's business operations. This specifically impacts shareholders who acquired securities from May 10, 2024 to March 3, 2025. Investors have until May 27, 2025 to apply for lead plaintiff status in these cases. The consequences of these lawsuits could have a significant effect on SoundHound's stock price in both the short and long term. In the immediate future, the news of the lawsuits may trigger increased selling pressure as investors respond to the potential for financial liability and waning investor confidence. This response can lead to volatility and downward trends in the stock price while market participants await further developments in the case. In the longer term, if the company is found liable for the securities violations, it could face considerable financial penalties and a loss of credibility, which may take a significant amount of time to recover from. A weakened market position could also discourage new investments, hindering growth prospects and further impacting the stock's performance. Investors are advised to closely monitor how these legal proceedings unfold, as they could greatly influence the company's future outlook. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, September 18, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as a buy with a hold recommendation. Also, on September 18, 2024, H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, August 9, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, August 9, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 9%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume declined during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals were also issued, which could impact its near short-term development. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels around $8.18 and $8.99. A breakthrough above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.60, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 440 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.83%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is in a loss situation. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest a lack of profitability and may pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative 0.07. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $7.60. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March 2025, James Ming executed an insider sell of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March 2025, James Ming executed an insider sell of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March 2025, Mohajer Kavan executed an insider sell of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March 2025, Mohajer Kavan executed an insider sell of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March 2025, Sharon Nitesh executed an insider sell of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 10.774. In total, insiders bought 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. displays several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by approximately 3.67 cents, starting at $7.79. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at StockInvest.